What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So I finally got another update on the Street Machine Group build hosted by Blue Ox over there. And well, this is a 1956 Chevy Del Rey, and well, finally got in paint last week and all that fun stuff. So let's show you what I got so far. So I kind of got it mocked up right here, so you just get a general idea on how it's going to look. And oh my god, it's going to look amazing. So I did do a bunch of videos on painting videos, because I do get a lot of questions asking me, am I going to be doing those more often, and I will. So that's why I put out a bunch of painting videos. But let's dive into this thing. So these are 3D printed wheels and brakes. The tires are actually from the kit, so they're the kit tires. So the small brakes are in the back, obviously, and then the big ones in the front. Then yes, these are, like I said, 3D printed wheels, and we got them chrome. And I tried a different chrome this time, because usually I use the Outcred chrome, but I figured let's try something different, and I went ahead and used the Molotov Chrome Pen Liquid refiller, which means I just put my airbrush. So I just put my airbrush. I never use this stuff for my airbrush. I was like, let me give it a try, and it at first results, oh my gosh, that's amazing. Basically with this stuff, you have to put it on pretty thick. The lighter you put it on is not shiny like this. You have to put it on pretty heavy, I gotta say, and then you get a result like this, and you can kind of see your reflection. Yeah, you can. So very cool. So the wheels, then I did everything. I did the bumpers, the grill, all the chrome parts basically. So everything's in that chrome. So that's pretty cool. So the body color is actually a splash paints. I was gonna do the blue with this color, but I decided let's do orange. I hardly do any orange vehicles. I only have one orange car, which is a 3D printed thing, and I never done a kit in orange. So I kind of want to do this one in orange and that dark gray. I thought it would be a cool color combo, and I gotta say it was actually a very cool color combo. It's turned out way better. So it's Special Paints Twister Orange, and I forgot the name of the gray. I think it's this. I think. Well, yeah, I think it is that. So there we go. There's the gray. So pretty cool, and yeah, very cool. So let's go ahead and take it apart. We got it mocked up in there. The interior is just kind of plushed in there. No, there we go. Got the interior. So here's the interior. Did a brown. I thought brown looked pretty cool with that color combo. So the brown, and I put on a little mist gloss coat from N.Y.S, obviously, just so it looks like it's like leather. That's what the look I was going for. Leather look. Then the floor obviously flocked it, and then the dashboard. The bottom half is brown. You can see right there. The centerpiece is chrome. Again, the Molotov chrome. And then top portion is body color, but left it matte. Then the steering wheel did the chrome, but not as shiny. So right there is the Molotov chrome pen, but didn't put on a heavy coat. Just left it, as is. Very light, and I thought that looks pretty cool. Nice contrast. So, and then the steering column I did chrome as well. That's originally kit, the white from the kit. So, and then the shifter is actually not from the kit, because the kit comes with an automatic transmission with the engine that it comes with, but the engine I put in a manual transmission with the engine I put in, so I had to add a manual shifter. So I did that, and then I did leave the manual or automatic shifter on the steering column. You could use that for multiple things like the windshield or whatever, so they kind of transferred everything over to that. And then, yeah, then we got the manual shifter. I thought it was pretty cool. Painted like a light gunmetal, or not gunmetal, like aluminum. There we go. And then like a glossy black finish on the boot and tip. So very cool. And the dashboard looks amazing. Everything, gauge cluster to the radio, and then the passenger over here is decals. So that makes it nice. So very nice interior, and then obviously the seatbelts are aftermarket from Gopher Racing. So very cool, very nice detail on the interior, and basic, but Looks good. I do have to paint the bottom black because it does show through the transmission and stuff, so not to worry. But very cool, nice interior, and very detailed. Here is the chassis, and we got the Corvette engine in there. So again, this is a fully 3D printed Corvette engine. This is a supercharged Corvette engine, and this thing turned out amazing. The detail in this thing was absolutely incredible. So the belts and pulleys, for the belts, I actually used electrical tape. So yeah, electrical tape right here, and then we cut it to size. Here's electrical tape right there. Cut it to size, and then it makes a perfect pulley. I mean, it's not too thick where it looks out of scale, and not too thin. So it's already black, obviously, and it looks. I'm actually really happy how that turned out for the pulleys. It looks really cool. And then the whole transmission and engine block is just outcladded silver, and then the exhaust is aluminum. The bottom portion of the supercharger is silver, and the top portion I did the back half body color right there, but did not clear it. And then obviously the engine cover is a twister orange, but did clear that one. So now I might highlight the supercharger, who knows. But yeah, the engine looks amazing. It looks really good. Then bottom half did black basic, then a gloss black on the axles, and then this, like I said, the aluminum on the exhaust. Then I just kind of scratched up a little bit with some dry brushing. But other than that, that's it for the chassis. A very nice detailed chassis, and it looks really good. Then last thing is the body. Here is the body, and this thing turned out amazing. I do have to wet sand it and polish it, but the color, I'm actually really happy how this color turned out. So basically, I do have to wet sand it and polish it, like I said. And then after that, I do have to do the chrome trim. So right where I split the color, that's where the chrome trim is going to be. So I didn't do too precise of a job of the two-tone right there, because I didn't really care about that, because like I said in the video, I did my two-tone paint job how-to video. I did mention that I didn't really care or precise on that part because it's going to be covered in bare metal foil anyway, so that doesn't matter. But on the window trim over here, obviously did take precise trim because that's not bare metal foil, or chrome I should say. So, but yeah, lovely body, very nice body, and it just looks really nice, and it just, yeah, very nice body lines, and the color combo, I think it looks really cool and just absolutely incredible. Then we'll give you a general idea on how the engine looks in there. There we go. Pretty cool. But that's it. That's it for this update. Very basic. And I broke the exhaust. Not too big a deal. But alright guys, that's it. Pretty much next time you're going to be seeing this will be the final. So stay tuned. And I'm really looking forward to see how this thing turns out at the end. It's just going to be too cool. But alright guys, until my next video, I'll catch you all next time. Take it easy.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say